Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody just emailed me and they're having trouble saving to default their font size. And if you look, if I pick on the font, it says 12, but as soon as I click, it goes to 24. And then my text that I'm going to write is 24 points. He wants his to 72. So with nothing selected is the key. Go right here, pick on the text tool, and immediately before you do anything, go to 72. It's going to come up with this. Make sure you have, I'm going to uncheck paragraph text because I never use it. Make sure you click artistic text and then say OK. Now, see, that still says 12, but as soon as I hit my pick tool or my tool, it'll go to that. Now, it says 12. We don't want that. So we're going to go to Tools, Save as Default, and make sure all these boxes are checked, and then go check 12. Now we're going to make a new page to make sure it works, and we're going to grab the text tool, and it goes to 72. Now I don't know why it doesn't change to, just when you're looking at it. It really doesn't matter. It's what, you type at will be 72. I'm going to do a little bit more research in that and figure out why it doesn't automatically go to 72. Let's try it one more time. There we go. Maybe it'll do it this time. I'm going to go to Tools, Save as Default, make sure everything's checked. Now let's open up a new page. And it's 72, 72. So it's going to work. Maybe I did something wrong on the first one. But then you've got 72 points. And just a little bit more information. That's humongous. A lot of people may not realize when they go to their text tool and they try to change it, and it jumps from 72 to 70 to 100, then 150. You can type in any number here. Let's go. We're going to make this. I'm trying to delete that. We're going to make that 105 points. And it made it 105 points. You don't have to go with 100 or, increments that they give you. And, even then, when you want to go past, you can just spread it out to whatever size you want, and you can make it just like 1,000 points and go on and go on. So let's try opening a new page now. Go to our text tool, 72. I click on it, and it's at 72. I've got all my other settings set. I draw in red hairline. We can hit the F12, and you can see it. That I draw in red hairline. I've got my corner ratio or my corners, my rulers at 0, 0. I have my nudge distance at 0.001. I have my duplicate distance at 0, 0. There's a big reason for that, and I explain it a lot in my video. I've got my page size, and once I get all that done, Tools, Save as Default, and just make sure everything's checked. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.